Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps now. Make sure you are an admin on the company page, because only admins can link pages to an ad account. Once confirmed, open Campaign Manager and choose or create an account. This ties billing and page control together. You add billing info next, so campaigns don't stall, card, address, and tax fields. Then pick a campaign objective, which drives targeting and creative choices. Once done with the basics, continue by configuring account details and targeting for precise delivery. Create the ad account name, select currency and time zone. These cannot be changed easily later, so confirm accurately. Then set up matched audiences or upload lists to reach existing contacts. Next, build targeting, locations, company size, job title, and industry to refine reach. Make sure to choose an ad format that matches your objective, because format to finish, set up tracking and launch with monitoring in mind. Install the linked in Insight tag on relevant pages to measure conversions, or configure offline conversion uploads if needed. This tells you why campaigns work. Then set budget, schedule, and choose a bid strategy, automatic bidding for simplicity, manual for control, and launch. After launch, check early performance and adjust. If something goes wrong, a key troubleshooting tip: verify page admin permissions, confirm the Insight tag fires, and reduce overlapping audiences to avoid competition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.